thanks a lot for joining us today. I've got a great house I want to show you. You know, MOJO has built its reputation on the modern farmhouse. For the last couple years, we've been building our classic two-story design, but now we've come out with a new design with a master bedroom on the first floor, but with all the same details you expect in a MOJO house, such as our gas lanterns. You know, you've seen these on all of our two stories. We have two of them right there at the front door, flanking the door, very stately look. But on this plan, we've now come up with, first time you'll ever see it, so you need to come out and see it, we have a first floor master bedroom. A little different entry, the same classic front porch with the brick pavers, the lovely ceiling treatment, which you've got to see this one, we tweaked it a little bit. So when you come see us, I want you to pay attention to those little details, because those are the details that MOJO is famous for. All right, who loves a kitchen? I do, you do, and look at this one. This is amazing. Look at this island, it's quartz. It's a thickened slab, 2 inches thick. It's got the waterfall edge on both sides, and in the front, quarter sawn oak, natural finish, which matches our hardwood floor finish, okay? Very nice detail. And then, speaking of details, we repeated it on the hood over the range and cooktop. So you've got the quarter sawn oak in the kitchen, kind of pops out, great detail, not overwhelming, subtle, and then it's complemented by our lovely gold hardware. Our drawers have those gold pulls. You see it on House, you see it on Instagram, but you need to come see it here in Prairie Village, Kansas. 2817 West 74th Street, Prairie Homes. Master suites, they call them a suite for a reason, because the closet, the bath, the shower, this is no exception. We have a very ginormous master vanity here with our, again, another reputation we've built, our floating vanities with the LED underlit lighting. Everybody loves those, you need to see them. So, isn't this shower amazing? It's got the rain head on the ceiling, floats down, it's like you're in a rainforest. Then of course, we've got a regular shower head on the wall, but in addition to, we've got the wand. The wand goes any place you want it to go. But this is what we built our reputation on. The attention to detail, the showers that are to die for, and basically an overall great blend of colors, textures, and materials. Okay, so here's what we've done. Very timely based on today's pandemic. Office, a full-blown office, not built as a bedroom that could be an office, not a multi-purpose room, but this, my friends, is an actual office. onyx. You love it, I love it. Great stuff, God made it. But man, MOJO has embellished it. We've got this thing glowing. We have underlighting LED lighting system so it glows. We have a glowing slab of onyx here. And to complement it, we have a wine display right above. So the glowing slab complements the wine display complements the glowing slab, and those are the details you see in every MOJO home. Details, details, details. That's what makes us the best.